This Victorian building has an open concept space and sits next to Trinity Church and Queen Anne Square, offering incredible views of the Newport Harbor and Newport Bridge. Queen Anne's Loft is an elegant option for an extraordinary event.
Queen Anne's Loft is a private event space located in Newport, Rhode Island. We execute unforgettable, top-of-the-line events and share in our clients' special life moments. We are a small, local, and women-owned business, and we offer a very personalized experience. Clients are working with me from their initial inquiry up until the breakdown of their event. I truly love getting to know all of the different people we work with and hearing their stories that frame their special events. My favorite part is always the actual event when you get to see all of the hard work come together, but I also love planning meetings when we get together prior to the event to go over details. It's common that clients come in feeling stressed and unsure about their event, but they always comment on how much better they feel when saying goodbye. Planning an event doesn't have to be a stressful, overwhelming experience, and I enjoy that time working with others and putting them at ease. We try to keep it as streamlined as possible while being transparent and upfront with no hidden costs. We believe in honesty and integrity with everything we do, including client and vendor relations. We work with compassion and courtesy in every step. When hiring employees, I look for these same values. We have a small staff, they are from the area and have a love for the hospitality industry and events. There is no lack of attention to detail and passion in our work. We strive to produce perfection in our events. Queen Anne's Loft is the perfect venue for smaller groups. Our first year open, we had a wedding of 20 guests, and before COVID, that wasn't very common. At the end of the event, they thanked me and said without Queen Anne's Loft, they never would have been able to get married in Newport. That always stuck with me because it really felt like I had achieved something special by creating Queen Anne's Loft as an affordable space for intimate groups. Working in events, we always have to think quick on our feet. Also, living in New England, you never know when the weather will throw you a curveball. Last summer, we had a wedding in our space when it was originally planned to be a rehearsal lunch. We received a call that morning that the wedding was canceled the next day because the hurricane was coming, and they asked if they could have their ceremony and reception in our space. Another time, we had a nor'easter that caused the power to go out mid-ceremony. We were able to light up the space with candlelight and lanterns and still get the dinners out hot and on time. We are lucky to work with incredible clients. Those two events could have been disastrous if we didn't have clients that were down to earth and just overall amazing groups of people. Common misconceptions are that people may think they have to rent or bring everything into the space like tables, chairs, etc., but we provide all of that in-house. We have a kitchen on site with our own catering and many different menu options. Our space was constructed with restored architectural details offering a unique and upscale design. The main focal point of our space is the grand chandelier in the center of the room. This is really the showstopper. The space speaks for itself. You do not need a lot of additional decor. We have French doors and windows that open for an open-air feel to take in harbor breezes and perfect view of the sunset. In our space, guests may relish in the history of neighboring Trinity Church and Queen Anne Square, panoramic views of Newport Harbor and the Newport Bridge, or be captivated by the bustle of Thames Street and America's Cup Avenue below. We offer a personalized experience and customized offerings. We pride ourselves on being flexible and accommodating. Queen Anne's Loft is the perfect location for your next special event, and we look forward to working with you.